Hello everyone, I am Sketchman John and this is the first video in the Basics Instinct series where I will share with you various drawing principles I consider to be basic when it comes to each topic covered. Today's video is about the basics of drawing a human face. If you find this video helpful at all, or you just love my amazing voice,
it's nice.
Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. I am brand new at this, so that would help me out a lot. Now, with that out of the way, let's get right to it. I'll start this off with the head upon which the face sits, so it's kind of important. For this video, I'll go with the general egg shape used by a lot of people, but this is not really set in stone. You can try different shapes depending on the type of character you want to draw. What is important are the two guidelines we'll use to divide the head into quadrants. So we draw one vertical line down the middle of the head, another across the middle, splitting the vertical line into two equal segments. The point in the middle where the two lines intersect we'll call point 1. Where the horizontal line hits the side of the head on our left will be point 2. And where it hits on the other side will be point 3. Point 4 will be where the vertical line hits the top of the head. And the other side of that line will hit the bottom at point 5. Now let's add 3 other points. Halfway between 1 and 3, 1 halfway between 1 and 2, the third will be halfway between 1 and 5. And that's it! The hard part's over! All you have to do now is draw a pupil at each of the halfway points between 2 and 1 and 1 and 3. Then draw eyes around the pupils. The eyes can be shaped in a variety of ways depending on what you're going for. Just make sure there is about 1 eye's length between the two. Next up is the nose, halfway between 1 and 5. Again, the shape and size can definitely vary. I'm going for a kind of V shape to keep things simple. Ears are next, with points 2 and 3 serving as starting points. For each ear, you'll generally want to start with a straight line going off at a certain angle, and as long as that angle is 45 degrees or less, you'll be fine. The mouth and the eyebrows can be pretty much anything you need them to be. Eyebrows will really vary a lot based on what's going on with your character and you know what they're going through. The mouth can be pretty much anything you want it to be, and you can convey a lot with even just a simple line. As for the inside of the ears, let's just keep things simple again and draw the number 6 on the right side and the reverse on the left. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe and give that notification bell some love as well. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.